मेजराचें जाता स्पेशली वेन यू टॉक अबाउट कॉमन मॅन आमी सिलिंडराचे विशय जाता फाटल्या दिसांनी आमी केन्नाय पळयलें की सिलिंडर सेम वेट्यान येना लेस वेटान येता सो हाव सच टॉपिक्स वूड बी डेलिबरेटेड हियर वॉट
I
इट इज
think everything is being deliberated here because this is an opportunity for all the controllers from different states. What are the various practices they follow in their state? Exchange of views, and then you come out with a paper which says that these are the consensus on certain issues. It's a good opportunity, good platform. It's the first time in the history it will be written that the first conference of controllers was held. It was held when the Dr. Pramod Sawant was the Chief Minister of Goa and in the state of Goa.
any sort of warning also would be given to those shop fellows or everybody from this side also because Baba
They have powers to raid, they
Yeah.
have powers to check, they do it regularly. Whenever some complaint comes also, otherwise also they do routine checks. Okay, you must be reading in the newspaper.
correct.
Director of legal metrology raided some pharmacy, something, and you want weights, yeah, everything they check. Even the balances हे आसता पळय
हय.
ते स्टेटीच्यो वे करपाच्यो ते सुद्दां चॅक करतात ते स्टॅम्प इट
आयज युनियन मिनिस्टरानूय एक सेंटर ओपन करपाचें उलयलां
that
पळय
was demand made by the chief minister earlier.
हय
So that he has agreed. He is our neighbor.
ओके
He's from Hubli.
Okay, and how do you see this charge since you have taken over about the legal metrology and to first conference तुमच्या हितूंतल्यानूय जाता so how do you see all this
In conference, main person responsible for this is Dr. Pramod Sawant, Chief Minister. He had that vision of hosting it. Because I became minister afterwards. But I have seen the work and all. And our director, Arun Panchwarkar, controller, he really worked tirelessly. He and Sanjeev Garg. And they have said that all the efforts were put to make this successful. I was meeting some of the controllers of some government of India officers. They all were congratulating us that the state has done very well.
हितूंतल्यान पेट्रोल पंपांकूय वॉर्निंग बा कितें वयतालें बाबा सारकें
पेट्रोल कंपनीज एज इट इज दे हॅव नाव स्ट्रिंजंट रुल्स पयलींचे दीस गेले नाव सिटींग एट वन प्लेस दे कम टू नो हाऊ मच पेट्रोल इज देयर हाऊ मच डिझेल इज देयर सगळें तांकां कळटा बिकॉज ऑफ वेरियस रिजन पेट्रोलियम कंपनीज हाव बिकम ऑल्सो मोर स्ट्रिंजंट सो नॅचरली वी कॅन जॉईंटली डू समथींग इफ दे रिक्वायर्ड
एनीथिंग अदर दॅन दॅट
ना